The first thing I want you to do is line up your ruler with the edge of your paper on the one side and make a small little line at the 9. That is halfway, so the sides are equal. Next, think about how many letters are in your name. For Topi, I would have 2 letters on this side of the line and 2 letters on this side because it's T-O-P-I. If you have 6 letters, you'd have 3 on one side and 3 on the other. So we're trying to keep it even. If you have 5, you would have 2 and 2 and then 1 in the middle. I want you to lightly draw in. Now this is going to be erased. So if you press hard, we're going to see it later. So very lightly, you're just going to etch in where how big your letters might be and where they're at. Now we're going to be changing these to symbols. So right now it's just lightly putting it in so that way I like the spacing. I pressed a little bit harder so you could see what I did. Now we can start replacing our letters with symbols. So I may start with my T and make paintbrushes. So I'm going to erase one line of my T. I have an up and down. So I'm going to do a paintbrush. Think about texture. Make these as detailed as you can. So whatever I'm using, I'm going to think about how I can manipulate it to look like the letter. So I can look at my symbol map to remember some different symbols. They should all relate to me and things I like. So that was a symbol for art. You need 4 symbols. So if you have 5 letters in your name, you can repeat that symbol, or you can create new ones. That is up to you. I have 4 symbols. I have paintbrushes for art, a dinner plate for cooking, a baby bottle for being a mom, and rulers for teaching. So I'm going to go ahead and Sharpie this, and that will be a stopping point for today.